If you have an old desktop computer sitting on your desk and you do not use that anymore, then you can turn that desktop computer into a Proxmox virtual home lab server. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I also have an old desktop computer and I decided to transform that computer into a home lab server so that I can run multiple applications on that server and create a dedicated home lab for my work. So if you intend to do like me, then follow this video step by step, and following this video you can easily create your own home lab server at home using the old desktop computer. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my old desktop computer and this computer has lots of resources. It has a decent RTX 3050 graphics card, Ryzen 7 3700X CPU and has 32 GB of RAM. So I decided to make this old computer as a Proxmox server. So today in this video I'm going to show you and guide you, if you have any old computer like this, then how you can convert your computer into a Proxmox virtual environment server. Okay. So first we have to create a Proxmox bootable USB. Connect USB to your computer and now you can see my computer screen. Open up any browser, then search on Google for Proxmox. Go to this first website, click on download, then Proxmox virtual environment, click on ISO, then download the Proxmox ISO file from here. Now take another tab, search for Rufus and navigate to this first website. Now scroll down and download the Rufus.exe file from here. Once downloading get completed, open up your download folder, double click on Rufus and open it, select the USB drive, then select the Proxmox ISO file, click OK, then start. OK. Now it should start flashing the Proxmox ISO file on the USB drive. When the flashing get completed, close the Rufus app and restart your PC. And during the restart, press the boot menu key to open up the boot menu of a computer. Now from the boot menu, select the USB and press enter. And you will get the Proxmox installer. From here, select the graphical installer. Accept the license agreement. Select your disk drive for the Proxmox installation. Click on next. Select country, time zone and keyboard layout and hit next. Set root password for your Proxmox. Type your email address here. Click on next. From this page, select your network interface. Type a hostname for Proxmox and apply your network configuration according to your network. Click on next. Now again check the configuration, then click install. And now it should start the Proxmox installation on your PC. And after the installation get completed, your computer should reboot. And on the screen you will get the IP address and port to access the Proxmox dashboard using any browser. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now if I open any of my browser, then I have to navigate to the IP address of my Proxmox server. And in my case, this is 192.168.0.200 and the port number is 8006. Then press enter. It will give you this type of notification. From here, click on advanced, then scroll down and click on proceed. And you will get the Proxmox server login page. Now from here, type the username root and the password whatever you set during the installation. Then click on login. You will get a no valid subscription pop-up. Don't worry, just click on OK. And this is my Proxmox virtual server. If I click on home server, then go to summary. Here you can see the configuration of my server. Also, if you click on shell, you will get the Linux shell of your Proxmox server. And now from here you can easily create virtual machines and different type of server application on your Proxmox server. And now to create the different type of server application on this Proxmox virtual environment, you can take help of community script. For this, take another tab and search on Google for Proxmox VE scripts. And you will get this link, communityscript.org. Click here, then click on I understand, then click on all script. And here you will find different type of server application. And if you want to install any of them, just simply click on them, then copy this script link from here and paste it on your Proxmox shell, and it will automatically configure everything and deploy the service on your Proxmox server. So guys, like this you can easily create your very own virtual environment server using your old desktop computer. Okay, so guys, that's how you can create your own home lab server using an old desktop computer with the Proxmox. And in my next video I'll try to cover as much as I can about this Proxmox web server and what are the apps and servers you can run on this Proxmox server. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching a tech tutorial, and I'm signing out.